Hello everyone, what is up? I'm Steven. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, what we talk about is, passive income, affiliate marketing, and just personal finance in general. Also, we talk a lot about how to grow on YouTube because that is part of how to grow an income for yourself. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video and talk about affiliate marketing. So this is going to be an affiliate marketing tutorial as a beginner or teenager, step by step in 2021, but also a lot later if you want to know about this. So the very first thing that I want to talk to you about is you might be asking, well, why affiliate marketing? Why is affiliate marketing so good? Well, I'm going to explain exactly why. And this guy right behind me, a lot of you liked him in my latest video. So here he is, he's back, checking around and probably interrupting in my video. He's looking out the window a lot, so that's him. He does that all the time. So, with that being said, let's go right back into affiliate marketing and why it's so great. So, if you have no friends, just like me,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
or maybe you're in lockdown and you have a ton of time, well, that's awesome. But if that's not the case and you might want to go out, and I'm not saying this doesn't require any work, however, you don't have to create a product, you don't have to deal with customer support, you don't have to check everything. All you have to do is find a product that sells and sell it, and we're going to talk about how to actually sell it, but this is the basic idea. So what products do you want to promote? Well, I made my last video on Shopify because my very first affiliate sale was Shopify, and I actually made a few of those at the very beginning when I had 12 subscribers. So I'll link to that video maybe somewhere in the corner up there, or maybe in the description, to show you, how I think I gained $48 with 12 subscribers. So make sure you check that out. It was not a Shopify store, it was affiliate sales, even though I did have a Shopify website at that point. That's a great way. If you're talking about Shopify, that's a great way. Then you have Builderall. Builderall is also a great one, which I do still promote. It's absolutely fabulous. It's something that, it's just builds up sales funnels for you. Well, you do have to actually build a sales funnel, and I can do an updated tutorial on this because I have made a tutorial on this, a very detailed one, which gets you from start to finish, which I'll also link in the description. But there are a few modifications to that one, so I could potentially do a brand new one. So these are the two that I currently, well, one that was my first sale, and then the one that I'm promoting right now. And I don't want you to promote a million different websites, because that is one key thing that you don't want to do. One mistake that a lot of people do that you don't want to do. If you want to see the end of this video, or if you liked it till this point, make sure that you absolutely destroy that subscribe button. I really appreciate that if you do. So make sure that you subscribe. And if you want to see this guy, well, you can also subscribe because he's always in my video for some reason, because I just walk him just before this video, and then he loves to hang around and just play or something. So anyway, how do you promote? One of the key things is YouTube, and I sort of, mentioned this in this video, but YouTube is a great way to promote because one, it's absolutely free, so you don't have to have any money to start. And second, you can just promote anything that you want and talk about anything that you want. And this is why I started this channel, because I was really interested in finances, and I still am. But at that point, what I was doing was I was running a Shopify store, which was, making some money, let's say. So I was talking about this, and Shopify, as I said, have a great affiliate program. And I talk about this in a bit more detail in the video that I have in the description. But I had 12 subscribers, I was making some money from my Shopify store and sharing that information, and I got paid with that affiliates, with the affiliate commissions. And that's where it hit home for me. I was like, I'm actually making, quite a bit of money for 12 subscribers, and I'm actually just doing what I really enjoy, which is actually helping people out instead of just having a store. So that's when I started to dive really, really deep into affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, there's a ton of people that do that out there, and a lot of them are doing this from their YouTube channel. They talk about something that they're interested in, find a product that they actually use, and some people don't do that. Some people just find any product that makes them money, but I would highly suggest not to do that. Find a product that you actually use. If you use that product, then that's a great thing, because you know what that product is about. You love that product. You're going to promote it, and you're going to love it. If you don't do that and you promote something just because it makes you money, people are going to tell. So don't do that. Please don't do that. So find a product that you're really interested in and actually just promote it. There's a ton of affiliate links. You can even go to Amazon. I think it's called Amazon Associates, which I wouldn't suggest doing that right at the start, because they pay very, very small commissions. And that's something that I really want to emphasize, is that you want to have something that actually pays you big commissions. Just like Shopify, I was talking about this because they pay you twice. They pay you the first 2 months, it's 100% yours. If you use Builderall, they pay you a certain amount every single month because people subscribe. So you want to do something that's subscription based, or that actually pays you a lot of money. For example, if something pays you $500 and you make 2 sales, then you have $1,000. So that's a great way. If you have something that's subscription based and that's good, then people are going to stay, and you're going to get monthly income, and it's just going to be just like stocks. It's going to be compound interest, and you want to be able to make some proper money. So that's a way more stable income source than if you make big sales. But big sales can make you a lot more money way faster. So it's up to you. You choose. It really depends on the product that you're promoting and what you prefer. For me, I really like Builderall. Builderall is a great product, so I promote that. So I really like Builderall, but it also makes income every month, which I really, really like, because you can just build it up. You don't have to start from zero again every single month because you're getting paid. So that's why I promote Builderall. So another thing with YouTube is you don't actually have to show your face. It's better if you do, because people actually relate to you a lot more. But if you want to do comparisons with products, and that's a really great way to do it, is you have two products that do the same thing, and then you compare them, and then you put both links in the description, and you make some money either way. If people like one product more, they choose one, then they do that. Or you can do reviews. That's another great way. But a really good way, the way that I found, is you just talk about what you enjoy and have that link. To get that link, you just type in any company that you like, and then space affiliate marketing or affiliates or something like that, and I'm guaranteeing that 90% of those, or 99%, will actually have an affiliate program. So make sure you do that. So with that being said, this wasn't really into depth, and I can totally understand that you want more. So if you want more information, no, I'm not going to sell you a course. I just want you to leave it in the comments. Let me know what you want to learn more about, or maybe you just want to me to go way more into depth, and I can absolutely do that. I can show you my screen, I can do anything. So make sure you leave a comment. And if you don't want to see any of these videos ever again, but you're nice and you want to help me out, leave me a comment on whatever you found in this video. Talk about anything. Like this video, and maybe if you don't want to see any more, maybe not subscribe. But if you do, make sure that you subscribe, because I've got plenty more videos to come, and you don't want to miss them out. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Ciao.